Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I want us to take a look at another app, guys, whereby you can earn rewards that will reward you just for installing it and letting it run on at the background. So this app, guys, will reward you just to let it run in the background. You don't have to do much, you don't have to take surveys, you don't have to do the other task or complete offers. All you have to do, you let this app run on the background, then afterwards you'll get rewards. So guys, before we get started with this app, here's what I like you to do. Can you please do me a small favor just by subscribing and turning on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel, because I upload videos about making money online, guys. So yes, each and every week or each and every day I upload videos about making money for free online. So guys, this is one of those videos. So in today's video, guys, I want us to look at this app that will reward you just by walking, guys. Yes, for each and every step that you take, they count those steps and then they convert it into points, and those points you can exchange them for different rewards. So guys, the name of the app is called Sweatcoin. So here's how you can find this app, guys. It's simple and straightforward. To go straight to your Google Play Store, or you can use the link down below, and then it will take you directly to the app where it will take you directly to where you can download this app, guys. So this app is simple and straightforward. Then after downloading this app, you will be required to sign in just like the other Get Paid 2 apps. Then after signing up using your email or Google account, then you are good to go. Then you have to go to your email and then confirm some few things. Then after that, you are good to go. This app will run at the background. Then after that, every time you take a step, make sure that you turn on your mobile data. Then after that, you are good to go, and your cell phone has a good internet connection. Then after that, you are good to go, guys. So this app will run at the background whenever you take a step, or whenever you're jogging, whenever you are running, wherever you are going. This app will calculate your steps, and the target steps, it's 2000. Then those steps will be calculated, guys. Then after that, you'll get point. They will be exchanged for points. Then those points can be converted into sweat coins, points, guys. That's where you can exchange them for different rewards. It's a simple and straightforward app, guys, and it's been there for quite a long time. A lot of people have been making money here on this app, guys. They were making a lot of money, guys. And another way to make money here on this website, it's simple and straightforward, is by inviting other people, guys. You can invite other people on your social media platforms, on Facebook or on TikTok, to join the app. Yes, after that, the minimum people you can invite, guys, it's 10. Then after that, you'll be invited to the top 100 group. Then you will get a $10 reward. You won't get sweat coins this time around. You get the money in cash transferred straight to your PayPal account. That's how you can make money, and that's how you can make money here on this app or platform, guys. It's simple and straightforward. That's another way of making money. There are two main ways. It's either by inviting other people, or, guys, by walking, guys. Every time you walk, they calculate your steps, just like I mentioned, guys. I keep on mentioning this because this is the main way to make money here on this app. Yes, I've been using this app myself for quite a long time, and a lot of people have been asking why you have not exchanged your points or anything, guys. Yes, I've been waiting for them because there's this cryptocurrency that they promised that they gonna create. So I want to invest in cryptocurrency. That is why I have not yet used my points, guys. And it also has a wallet, guys, whereby you can see how much your points are worth. Let me show you real quickly the wallet. So guys, this is my Sweatcoin wallet, guys, where I can see how much I have here on this. This is my balance, guys. This is my balance ever since I've joined this app, guys. They have developed their new their own cryptocurrency, guys, of which is Sweat. It has been introduced, and that is what I've been working on. That is why I've not exchanged my points for gift cards or any offer, guys. So because I wanted to invest in this Sweat, guys. If you are just like me, you want to invest in this Sweat thing, or if you want to invest in one of these cryptocurrencies, then you can use this app to invest, guys, because this is the Sweat coin wallet, guys. It's simple. Also, you can go to Google Play Store and download this app so that you can see your balance each and every time, guys. So another thing, guys, that bear in mind, this is my advice from me to you. So guys, don't depend on these apps, guys. These apps that I'm sharing with you, they won't change like your life. They won't make you live the life of your dreams, guys. These are just apps to make you extra money on the side or some pocket money on your side. It depends on how much time you invest on those apps. That is why they won't give you that as a sum of money that you want. If you want a substantial income, guys, go and create a YouTube channel, or go to YouTube and learn a certain skill. Learn to create thumbnails, learn to do voiceovers. Then that's where you can start making money, or start creating videos on YouTube, or starting, if you know that you are good in writing, you can start a blogger, guys, for free. And then after that, you monetize that blogger at AdSense or any other, or you can monetize your blogger on etc, guys. There are so many platforms you can monetize your blog, guys. Then after monetizing your blog, that's where you can start making a lot of money or substantial income. But these apps, they won't make you a lot of money. They just make you pennies, guys. That money you won't make a living out of. So that's my advice from me to you. But if you have any experience or any or if you have any question about this app, you can leave the comments down in the comment section. I love to hear from you. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video about money making, about another money making app. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on the next one.